Hey guys, Coach Kirk Shinta here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I have been able to passively generate $300 commissions to my Stripe account that you see here. And this is me, this is my account, where I collect commissions for products that I promote online. All right, so in this video, I'm going to share with you two secrets that gurus won't share with you. And these two secrets are going to help you learn how you can make money online. So 3 years ago, my quick story is that I was needing to make extra income from home. I actually went to YouTube and typed in how to make money online, and I stumbled upon a video that just totally just changed everything for me because I saw someone talking about making money online, and I said, I wonder how I could do that too. I reached out to that person, I learned how to make money online, and then I started saying, okay, when I learn how to make money online, I will share some of those secrets with the people that I'm with, and that's what I'm going to do in today's video. So I learned how to make income online. So what I'm going to share is two major tips that I personally use to generate $300 commissions, and I'm going to share them with you so that you can learn how to do the same for you. So let's get right into it. So tip number one is to learn how to generate high quality clicks to an offer online. Okay, so write that down. Learn how to generate high quality clicks to offer online. So one of the easiest ways to make money online is, there's a lot of ways to make money online. There's a lot of ways, but many of the ways that to make money online require a whole lot of startup capital from you. It requires you to create your own product. It requires you to keep a whole bunch of inventory and all that stuff like that. Nobody wants to do that, right? So one of the simplest and easiest ways that I found to make money online is to find a product that is already selling. Something that's already selling, something that people are already buying. Recommend people to that product, and they earn a commission or money for doing the job of recommending people to that product. That is what affiliate marketing is at its core, and that's what I do. Okay, so and that's what you can learn how to do as well. So one of the top reasons why people don't make money online, and it's an issue that is easily solvable, is that people aren't sending high quality clicks or people to that offer, right? To whatever offer that they're promoting, right? What I see people do, I did a video yesterday about targeting, right? They're targeting the wrong people or promoting to the wrong people. We're talking about promoting to people in third world countries where a lot of times your offer, or you don't live in a third world country, right? So you're promoting to people in third world countries. You're promoting to people who aren't interested in what you're even promoting. You're promoting to people that don't have money. You're promoting to people who have a job mentality, who aren't serious, who don't really understand that you have to make time to do some simple but consistent tasks to make money online, right? You're promoting to people who won't even give 30 to 90 days to their business to create life-changing income online. Okay, so this is a major issue, making sure that you're sending high quality clicks / people to whatever offer that you decide to do. Remember, I already talked about affiliate marketing. One of the ways you make money is promoting an offer that is already put together for you, someone else's offer. You promote that and you can make good money, but then you got to get high quality clicks or people to that offer. Okay, so that's one of the core focus to make money online, is to focus on getting those high quality people or clicks to whatever that offer is that you're going to be promoting. The more high quality people that you can send to your website, right, the more money you're going to end up making. Okay, so this is one of the secrets that I've been using to generate $300 commissions over and over and over again. And once you have this in place, this high quality, this focus on high quality people, then it's time to focus on sending those high quality people to a high converting funnel so that you can make life-changing income. So what is a high converting funnel? Well, a high converting funnel consists of a capture page. A capture page is basically a website that collects a person's name and email, a person who wanted to take a look at what it is you were promoting, and they enter their name and email. That's what a capture page does. That's the beginning of a high converting funnel. The second part of a high converting funnel is a page that has a good sales video. So whatever you're promoting, you want to make sure that it has a good sales video, because that sales video is going to do the majority of the work for you. It ideally is a video that has good ad copy. It's been put together professionally. And that's going to help a high percentage of the people that watch that video convert, pull out their credit card and buy, and that's going to make you money. So, how you find a good system, you're going to look for a system that has lots of testimonials or people getting results. You're going to look for a system that you don't have to create per se, but that it's already put together, has all the sales copy, the ad copy together, and that you're given the follow-up emails so that in this high converting funnel, the follow-up emails will follow up and help you convert and close more sales. That's the process. So one of the systems that I actually promote that allows me to make these $300 commissions, it also not only allows me to make $300 commissions, but it also gives me the sales page that I need, and the follow-up emails is called Infinity Processing System. Okay, I love this system. It allows me to make $300 commissions, and on top of giving you what you need, those things that I talked about that you need to have in place, it teaches you how to build a high converting funnel. That is one of the foundations of Infinity Processing System at the pro level, is that it's going to teach you exactly how to do that. And that is a foundation in affiliate marketing. Once you learn how to do that, you can learn how to passively, right, set up systems that allow you to earn $300 commissions. Okay. On top of that, it's going to you're going to get a sales page that looks like this. It's already professionally put together. It's done for you in terms of the sales page, and it has good ad copy and things like that, all those things that I talked about. But the other thing is that one of the cores of Infinity Processing System is it's going to give you the training that you need, okay? The training that you need so that you can, make your first $300 to $1,000 online because you understand the strategies, and it gives you all the strategies of how to market your business or any other business online, promote anything once you understand the strategies that are in Infinity Processing System. So at the pro level, you get all of this stuff. There's also a level beneath it called the elite level. Most people will come in elite or pro because this is where serious marketers are. This is where serious people want to learn affiliate marketing, and are going to get access to all of the strategies so that they can not only create a high converting funnel, easy peasy, but they have a sales page that does the explaining, has a high quality sales video. Here there's a high quality sales video here, and it allows you to earn $300 instant commissions direct to your payment processor of choice. So that's pretty cool. I do want to just take you into our proof group real quick, and I want to show you that other people are having great results with this system. Here we have someone, Mary Beth. She woke up to she made her first 10K with this system, so pretty cool. But we have a lot, I want to just look at some of the beginners, right? There's plenty of beginners. Speaking of that, someone said here, my six-figure funnel is ready now, because that's one of the things they teach you how to do, foundational, right? To make those types of money online, you want to have a website that's always putting you in position to earn. Okay, so here we have someone that just upgraded. That means that that person got an extra commission online, and we just have lots and lots and lots of results like this that are in the group. Shout out to James. He got someone upgraded. He got 250 today. So these are things that are happening in the system. Someone had, let's see, Amanda had a $900 day. And I could just keep going. And we have lots of beginners getting their first sales. This one, Laura said, woke up this morning to a new member and a new commission. So these are the success stories that are in, and I could keep going, but I'm not going to, because I will be scrolling here all day, because there is just tons and tons and tons and tons of success stories from people who are following the strategies that are here that you're taught in the system. Okay, so that's that. If you want to, I really hope that you put those strategies in place. Make sure that you promote something worthwhile, which is the foundation of affiliate marketing, and also make sure that you get that high converting funnel and that you are targeting the right people. These are all the things that are taught here in at the pro level in Infinity Processing System. And if you really want to learn how to make money online and to do those things, then definitely check out the link beneath this video. Also, I give some exclusive bonuses to supplement this great training that's already in there to help you on your journey and to shortcut your way to success. And that's that. If you're ready, go ahead and lock in your spot at pro or elite. If you have any questions, my contact information is below. Reach out, smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.